Hello friends, I am Sunita from KK Tutorials and today I am going to explain you the chapter Reach for the Top. It is chapter 8 of Beehive. Part 1 I am going to explain you. Reach for the Top Part 1 is the story of Santosh Yadav. संतोष यादव एक ऐसी लेडी की कहानी है जिसने माउंट एवरेस्ट को 2 बार क्लाइम किया. She has climbed Mount Everest twice. So I have jotted down some important points. I am going to explain you each and every point. The first point tells that she was the first woman who scaled Mount Everest twice. Santosh was born in Jonivas village of Rewari district of Haryana. संतोष जब पैदा हुई थी तो उनके विलेज में एक सेंट आए. The saint was giving blessings to every lady to have a male child. Because she was born in a very biased society. Bias means कि वहाँ पर male child को welcome किया जाता था and female child को curse नहीं समझा जाता था, but they were unwelcome in the society. तो when she was about to born, the saint came in the village and he was giving blessings to every mother to have a male child. He wanted to bless Santosh mother also. उस समय संतोष की grandmother ने उनसे बोला कि they have already got 5 male child in the family, so they want a female child. The saint was very much surprised and he blessed Santosh mother with a female child. उनकी जो blessings थी, it turned into reality and a female child was born in the family. फीमेल चाइल्ड का नाम फैमिली ने संतोष रखा. संतोष मीन्स होता है सेटिस्फैक्शन, कंटेंटमेंट, बट संतोष अपने नाम से बिल्कुल अपोजिट थी. शी वॉज अ वेरी एम्बिशियस गर्ल. एवरी टाइम शी वॉन्टेड टू अचीव समथिंग. वो अपनी लाइफ को अपने टर्म से जीना चाहती थी. जैसे विलेज की और गर्ल्स सलवार कमीज पहनती थी, संतोष यूज्ड टू वेयर शॉर्ट्स. संतोष पढ़ना चाहते थे. इनकी जो फैमिली थी, नाउ वी आर कमिंग ऑन द फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. संतोष बिलोंग्स टू अ अफ्लुएंट फैमिली. अफ्लुएंट मीन्स होता है दैट इज अ वेरी रिच फैमिली. उनके जो फादर थे वो एक रिच लैंड ओनर थे. माने ही हैज गॉट दैट मच ऑफ मनी कि वो अपने 6 बच्चों की पढ़ाई को इजीली बेयर कर सकते थे एंड उनको हाई एजुकेशन दे सकते थे. बट एट दैट टाइम उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि संतोष को विलेज स्कूल में ही दिया जाए और बाकी 5 सन्स को उन्होंने सिटी स्कूल में भेज दिया. एट दैट टाइम संतोष एग्रीड एंड संतोष गॉट एडमिटेड इन द विलेज स्कूल. जब वो 16 इयर्स की हुई तो जनरली विलेज पे 16 इयर्स की गर्ल्स की शादी होती है, मैरिज. सो दिस द फैमिली ऑल्सो फोर्स्ड संतोष टू गेट मैरिड, बट संतोष अपोज्ड because the marriage was nowhere in the cards and Santosh wanted to study more. So she went to Delhi and took admission in high school. When Santosh's father came to know that she has taken admission in the high school without his permission, so he refused. ठीक है, if you have taken admission, he is not going to fund her studies. So जब family को पता चला तो they got very much angry. But Santosh said very politely that she is going to fund her studies and she will do the part-time job. That was the turning point in her life at the age of 16 when she has taken the decision against her family wishes. Then when the father has seen the determination in her that she wanted to study, so he decided to fund her studies and he agreed on that. When her studies had finished in school, she wanted to join the Maharani College, Jaipur. She kept this desire in front of her father that she wanted to join the Maharani College of Jaipur. The father agreed and she went to Jaipur for the higher studies. Over there she stayed at Kasturba Hostel. जब वो अपने हॉस्टल के विंडो से देखती थी तो उनके हॉस्टल के विंडोज के बाहर अरावली हिल्स थे. She used to see the hills. हिल्स वॉच करना तो सबको अच्छा लगता है. तो when she used to watch the hills, वहाँ देखते थे कि विलेजर्स दे वर क्लाइंबिंग द हिल्स एंड जब वो टॉप पे पहुंचते थे तो उसके बाद विलेजर्स दे वर डिसअपियरिंग फ्रॉम देयर. सो शी यूज्ड टू थिंक कि विलेजर्स जाते कहाँ हैं एंड शी वांटेड टू नो कि दैट व्हाट वाज बियॉन्ड दीज हिल्स. तो विलेजर से वो मिली और उन्हें अपना डिजायर रखा कि दैट शी आल्सो वांटेड टू क्लाइंब द हिल्स. द विलेजर्स एग्रीड एंड शी डिड सो विद द विलेजर्स. देन शी डिसाइडेड टू जॉइन द उत्तरकाशी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनियरिंग. उनके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स अप्रैल में फिनिश होते, बट इट टुक 19th May and she has to join the Uttarkashi Institute of Mountaineering on 21st May. So she has not taken permission from her father. At that time, she has written the apology letter. Apology letter means a sorry letter she has written to her father that she is sorry because without taking his permission, she has joined the Institute of Mountaineering. There are three major qualities in her, in Santosh, that is physical strength, mental strength and willpower. Willpower quality तो we are seeing it from the very childhood that उनका determination इतना strong था. So when she used to do the expeditions, she wanted to increase her immunity because when you are going on the height, when you are climbing the mountains, your immunity level should be very high. So she tried to increase her immunity. And finally, after doing 4 years of casual practice, 1992 में उन्होंने Mount Everest climb किया and she succeeded in that. She was the first woman who has climbed Mount Everest. She was the first youngest woman who has climbed the Mount Everest. So उस समय उनकी age, it was only 20 years. She was only 20 years old. The seniors were quite impressed by Santosh because they had seen the strong determination in her. And apart from all these three qualities, there was one more very important quality in her, that was her helpful nature. She was always ready to help her companions. While climbing, one of her companions named Mohan Singh was in short of oxygen. At that time, Santosh helped Mohan Singh by sharing the oxygen with him. So this shows her helping nature. Then she decided that she is going to join the Indianapolis Mountaineer Women Group. And with them she climbed Mount Everest for the second time. The Indian government honored her with Padma Shri Award. When she reached the top, she couldn't believe her eyes that she has climbed Mount Everest. At that time, she hosted Tiranga at the top. She also believed in preserving the environment. So every time when she was climbing, she used to bring the Himalayan garbage with her. So at the time, she has collected about 500 kilograms of Himalayan garbage. So dear friends, I had explained you this chapter, part 1. I hope you like it. Very shortly, I am going to bring part 2 also. So if you liked my video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.